never mind. Yo, there's these people on YouTube, like kids and whatever. They're getting pots of water and they're filling it up and they're boiling it and they run outside and it's in like the negatives right now. They throw it into the freaking air and it turns into freaking snow. It's freaking snow? We're like.
Did I ever tell you about my plan Z? See if all my other plans fail. So essentially what it is if like this is like if everything else in my life fails. This is my last resort.
So how soon are you planning on moving out?
When I moved into Taylor Lofts and I needed to transfer money out of one account into the other, I accidentally transferred the money from the wrong account. Put $1,000 into one account that wasn't in another account. The thing is, I didn't have $1,000 to transfer out. I got charged a $25 overdraft fee, which is interesting. But I'll spend the rest of my day as a homeless person. I'll just have $5,000 cash. It'll be like I'll live on scot free. It's great. It's amazing. Isn't it amazing? You can get that. I mean, I could probably make it. I don't know. I mean, the internet, it's the 21st century, you can pretty much figure anything out, right? I don't know. Like, there's definitely no airplanes that ever, like, go in or out of Sri Lanka. So I would have to, like, get on a freight ship. But then, of course, you have to be, like...
airplanes. Oh, it's boiling! Alright, let's go! Let's go!
And so what I was you know, the indigenous get a little freaked out by that, you know?
Yeah, keep going your story. I'll be right back to hear it,
and,
bro.
You know,
Guy.
I really wonder if people, like, appreciate the ideas I have. I don't think they do. I mean, what do you think?
God.
Why would I, you know...
I hate that. Damn.
Guys!
Oh no, Dan!
Forgot to give the bucket!
No, stop, Dan!
Wait!
Dan,
Here,
stop!
Look, hey, oh!
Aw, man, my friends are dead. How am I gonna Instagram this?
Guilty pool boys. So guilty.